Ms. Shweta Bajaj is a seasoned professional with a postgraduate degree in human resources. She leads client relationship management and serves as the practice head for background verification services at TACT India. With over a decade of experience, she's dedicated to delivering high-quality solutions while upholding the highest standards of ethics and integrity at TACT India. Welcome.
Well, I'm a salesperson, so I will purely be talking about sales, of course. Good morning, everyone. It is a pleasure to be here. I'm Shweta, and I'm here to present why TACT India is not just another background verification company. Well, think of us as a boutique firm in a sea of cookie-cutter stores. The difference between a boutique and a big box store is, at a boutique firm, you get curated service and attention to detail. At TACT India, we offer the same tailored approach. We are not the biggest fish in the pond, but we pride ourselves to be the best. We focus on quality over quantity, providing bespoke solutions to our select clientele. Founded in 2001, TACT India has honed its expertise in risk mitigation. Though deeply rooted in India, our reach extends globally. We combine local expertise with international standards to provide you with the best of both worlds. Now let's be real. Most B2B companies verify similar components: employment history, moonlighting, criminal record checks, and so on. So what makes us different? Well, we don't just meet standards, we set them. The difference is not just in what we check, but in how fast and accurately we do it. Our trace verification system is akin to having superpowers of employment screening. Well, our credential verification program ensures every detail is meticulously checked. Think of us as the Sherlock Holmes of BGV. Well, of course, minus the dear stalker hat. And don't worry, we are not just about doc. We have the data protection and quality checks to back it up. Unlike many in the industry, we guarantee integrity of our checks. Our reports always come with documentary evidence. Our state-of-the-art online tool offers real-time tracking of your cases. We are accredited with the latest ISO, IEC certifications and GDPR certification. This means we are compliant with the highest standards in IT security, data protection, and information handling. From employment verification and criminal record checks to drug tests, driving license validation, and lifestyle audits, whether it is white-collar, blue-collar, or contractual workforce screenings. We cover all bases with the precision of a Swiss watchmaker. Plus, our services integrate seamlessly with any HRMS or onboarding tool and are powered by cutting-edge technologies like AI and proprietary databases. With TACT India, you're not just getting a service, you are getting a partner dedicated to safeguarding your business's reputation. We promise we won't let you down or let anyone else in your company either. Thank you.